BNS Section 144, Public Order Implications. The looming shadow of Section 144. At why Section 144 of the BNS is more relevant than ever in today's dynamic public sphere. At briefly unpack what BNS Section 144 is and its historical context, avoiding legal jargon. At tease the immediate public order implications we'll be exploring, setting the stage for concern. Understanding the public order crisis. At explore real-world scenarios where Section 144 could be, or has been, invoked. Think protests, gatherings, rapid information dissemination. At examine the tension between maintaining public order and individual freedoms in an increasingly connected world. At discuss the potential for misuse or overreach, and the slippery slope it creates for dissent. Beyond the law, societal ripple effects. At analyze how Section 144 impacts everyday citizens, from their right to assemble to their access to information. At discuss the psychological impact of such restrictions on public sentiment and trust in authority. At highlight specific groups disproportionately affected by blanket orders under Section 144. Case studies, when 144 hits the fan. At quick, impactful examples of Section 144's application, hypothetical or generalized, to avoid specific, dated examples. At break down the immediate aftermath and long-term consequences of these orders on communities. At ponder what lessons can be learned from these scenarios for both authorities and citizens. Navigating the future, a call to awareness. At offer actionable insights for viewers on how to stay informed and understand their rights in the context of Section 144. At discuss the ongoing debate around balancing security with fundamental liberties, inviting viewer participation. At conclude with a thought-provoking question about the evolving nature of public order and the role of law in a democratic society.